Alright guys, it's torta night at the Rivas residence. We have the queso fresco, aguacate, the meat, and the bolillo. So we're gonna make that. Milanesa, quesito, some aguacate, lechuga, los tomates, así. Aquí mismo me voy a poner un pedacito de chorizo.
He's a dog and a butler. I mean, who's gonna love him?
Everyone, I haven't vlogged at all this week, I don't think, because it's been just like a chill week. Nothing really is happening, but Ryan wanted to buy an espresso machine, and he did. So we did some research on which one we wanted. We ended up getting this one. It was between this one and then the... Which one was the other one?
The Bambino.
The Bambino. And the main difference is that this one was $111 versus the other one was the other one was 500?
500.
Yeah, 500. So
500.
we're like, look, we don't know if we're gonna like actually use it. Let's buy the inexpensive one first, see how often we use it. And then later down the road, we can upgrade it if we end up using it.
500.
But Ryan really wanted the Bambino one because he wanted to be like, oh, you want a Bambino baby? I'll make you a Bambino baby.
Bambino.
Yeah. So, but we're going to unbox it. So I'm going to show you guys and then we're going to test it out too. I'm excited. So I'm going to unbox the DeLonghi. It's the 15 bar one, ECP 3420. And pretty much we searched, Ryan watched a ton of videos, and this one was the best one in the lower grade ones. We watched, what's his name? It's like the coffee, he's known for like coffee reviews. So he reviewed this one, and literally his review was like, it's okay. But keep in mind that he reviews like $1,000 machines, like 500, 700, 800. So with this being like, it's okay for it being $111 or $120, I felt like it was pretty good. So you unbox it, it comes with the manual, which we'll probably have to read to figure out how to use. And then, if you want to come closer, I don't know what exactly these things are. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to put it on the side and pick it up that way. backwards now. Ooh, it's so light. It's super light. I buy a lot of appliances, but Ryan does not. So this is weird for him to like want to buy one. Oops, okay. See, I knew it came with one.
That one is a tamper.
It's trash.
Piece of shit. Throw it away.
All right, so here's a little cup where the espresso goes. And he says that there's a rubber piece that he doesn't like. But again, he reviews $1,000 machines, so it's good. And there's a smaller one too. And this one doesn't have a rubber piece. All right, keep unboxing. Oh, here's a little, what is this thing called? Ooh, this is actually pretty heavy. You don't feel it? Right? It's pretty heavy.
There's some weight to it.
This is good. There we go. There's our little DeLonghi. Stop. So this goes in here, I think. I think this comes on. We're gonna have to learn this stuff. We're gonna have to find out how this stuff goes without us breaking it. But yeah, this is our little DeLonghi. We already bought a grinder because we do need a grinder for this. And then here's a little spout, a little steamer. And then this is the functions. Here's a little water receptacle. And I guess this is where you leave the filter. And then, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So let's put it where it's gonna go. We're gonna read the instructions a little bit and then make a cup of espresso.
Bit of a... That's okay. Not bad. A little crema.
Crema?
Yep.
Cheers. Too hot?
Not bad. Really
Ooh,
smooth, right?
it's good. It's strong.
Yeah, it's really strong. Wow, this is really good.
Yeah,
Huh.
strong. It is an espresso. All right. Angie's first attempt at, they start off like this. I think there's not enough coffee in there because look at how light that is.
Yeah. We'll try it out.
Let's see. It's good, even without sugar. You taste it? There's no design. Good, right?
Yeah.
Mm,
Good investment.
yeah.
So this is our open boxing of the DeLonghi.
The Longini. Ooh, spicy.
That's good.
Perfect.
How you doing?
You say you want sriracha?
Let's go see what Ryan is making. He's making his second cup of coffee today. Oh, we're gonna see what you're doing.
I do 2 shots.
Okay, so what are you doing?
So I make the espresso.
Okay.
And I did this earlier because it came out delicious. I used the Nestle Unlocked creamer.
Okay.
I know a lot of people are probably saying like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
I put like a little tiny bit in. Nothing too much, like a little tiny bit.
Okay.
And then we use this over here to froth it up.
That's all you use?
Yeah.
What? See? Okay.
I add here. And so that'll be, that's it.
And you put ice?
Then I put ice.
Good?
Good. All right.
I know I'm good. I won't sleep if I try it. I'm just gonna try a little tiny bit.
Okay.
Good. Chitlins, micro beans, peppers, thyme, and cucumber. Let's see how they grow. All right, everyone. So I just wanted to quickly come on here to show you guys because we went to this new burger place. I have not opened the box, so we're kind of just trying to see if it's a good burger place because we don't really have a good burger place around here except for Farmer Boys, which we like, but it's like not, it's like whatever. Huh? Yeah, we wanted something that was like more local and just for like our city. So we found Angelo's Burgers. I'll put the address down here. So let's open up the box. They pack it in here. We each got a burger and Ryan got fries and I got onion rings. We usually do that so that we can share 2 different sides. So let's take a look. Ooh. Okay. Looks pretty good. So my avocado burger is, I'm gonna do this. There you go. This is my avocado burger right here. Oh, right here. Has like a whole half an avocado. This is Ryan's cowboy burger. That looks really good. And then we got onion rings and fries, which the fries are, I think, my favorite kind. They're good. Yeah. So we're about to eat. I'll let you guys know how it is.
Why is it so difficult to find something?
Before I put a movie on, I'm gonna taste it. Not bad. I love the fresh onion versus frozen onion. And they also put Thousand Island on their burgers. I think Tam does too.
All right, me or your cool stuff?
Both.
Okay. I think you're talking to.
But it's good. I like it. The patty, I feel like it could be a little thicker on my end, but it's good. Hello, everyone. So this week was a little quiet. Like I didn't really vlog that much and I didn't really do that much, but let me get better sunlight. There we go. That's funny because that imprint is for something that our the old homeowners had. We've been here 2 years already and it's still there. I just think it's funny. But yeah, it's really sunny today and I'm excited about that because I'm gonna go to the store. I need some hangers, so I'm gonna go to Target real quick to get that out. And what else do I need? I might need a few more things. So I'm gonna end the vlog here for now, and so I can start the next one for next week. Next week I work from home, so it's a lot easier for me to vlog when I'm working from home because I get off and right away I can just start vlogging versus getting off and having to drive home, and then by the time I get home I have to start cooking. So it's a lot easier when I work from home because I'm already home. I cut off that hour of commute. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit the like button if you guys like the vlogs, and let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more, I have some orders this weekend for the cheese board, and I didn't really record it because I don't know if you guys are over it, but anyway, I'll keep recording it because I like doing so. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys later.